Studies show that actually most people are afraid of dementia, not afraid of getting a heart attack, not afraid of high cholesterol, but actually afraid of dementia as you grow older. So all month with Chi Flow with Joe, we're going to be doing brain power. So I'm going to share with you some great tips and some great points to really optimize your brain. Okay, let's do one now. So I really like this one. This one is called the yin tang point, and it's between the eyebrows. And really, when you're pressing into here, you might also know this as the third eye point, because it's stimulating the pineal and the pituitary gland really deep down in the middle of the brain. So finding the point, you can close your eyes, you can massage and press, and imagine all the pituitary gland can become quite calcified as we age. So I want you to imagine all the energy going right into the center of the brain and actually shaking loose the calcification of the pineal and the pituitary gland. Come with us, Chi Flow with Joe. Have a look. I've got a free class, and all month for August we're going to be optimizing brain strength so that you don't get brain fog, that you're able to think clearly, and your recall is really good. If you've got any questions about that, just pop them in the chat and I will answer them.